People always ask, what do I need to get started when I'm trying to learn how a serger works? Well, we are working with the new Husqvarna Viking Amber Air S400 serger, and I say all you need are 4 spools of thread that are different colors. And then that way, as I teach you what each of the areas of the serger does, you can see that the blue one went this way when we turn this dial, or the red one went this way. It is a great way to familiarize yourself with what each area of the serger does. The needles are just the same needles that you have with your sewing machine. So even though there's needles in your accessory box that comes with this machine, you will really just have the ones from your sewing machine that you can use. You do have a manual, which we are doing short videos on every page of this. So if you like to understand why it says to do what you're supposed to do, follow along with me as I guide you of how to clean it, how to change needles, how to go from a 4-thread, 3-thread, 2-thread, and the famous picot stitch, which is on here. If you're like, what's a picot stitch? You're going to have to look up that video. Really, all you need is good quality thread, those needles, pair of scissors, and some sample fabric. If you've got some knit fabric close by, that's a great way to kind of experiment, because sergers are awesome on knits, polar fleece, sweatshirt fabric, t-shirts, ribbing, kids clothes, leggings. Oh my gosh, we keep on going. And I'm going to show you everything that this can do. So check out sewingmastery.com where all these videos hang out, and we will see you online.